Types of editing: linear, nonlinear, experimental. Not all editing follows the same path. In cinema, there are three main types of editing: linear, nonlinear, and experimental. Linear editing follows the chronological order of time. It reflects reality as it happens, beginning, middle, and end. Most traditional films use this structure. Nonlinear editing breaks this order. It plays with time, using flashbacks, parallel timelines, or rearranged events to create emotional or psychological impact. Experimental editing goes beyond story. It focuses on visuals, rhythm, and feeling. It may ignore logic and instead challenge how we perceive time and space. Each type has its purpose. Understanding them helps you decide how best to tell your story. Let's explore them in depth. Now that we know the types of editing, let's move on to how editors actually work and how they choose the right cut. Video 3: The Editor's Toolbox, Tools, Timelines, and Transitions.
Dreams deciding, watch to earn, the stars aligning. One frame, one vote, your stake, your say, you shape the films.